We're making 5 boba drinks to keep you feeling refreshed. First up, we have a delicious, creamy Korean banana milk that's perfect for kids and adults alike. So in a blender, I'm gonna add 1 ripe banana. So this is a great way to use up those spotty bananas that's not making bread. Half a cup of milk, half a cup of water to thin it out so it doesn't become like a milkshake, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, a little bit of ice to get it nice and cold, and if you'd like, some extra honey or sweetener of choice. This is totally optional since I know we all prefer our bobas at different levels of sweetness. Now let's get to our bobas. I've already cooked off our bobas. These are just tapioca pearls and I cooked it according to the package's direction. So to a cup, I'm gonna add the boba at the bottom and then I'm gonna fill it up with ice. I prefer mine about 30% ice. Tell me what your boba order is. And now I'm gonna pour in the banana milk. It's sweet, it's different, and super refreshing. The key to this drink is a ripe and spotty banana. It provides the perfect amount of sweetness when it's blended with the milk. Now let's make something caffeinated. We're doing a coffee mint mojito boba with a sweet cream foam on top. I'm gonna pull a shot of espresso right into this cup where I already have mint leaves added, along with 1 teaspoon of sugar. The hot coffee will open up the flavors of the mint and just give it a subtle minty taste. Once it's done, we're just gonna let it steep and cool while we work on our sweet cream. I wanna infuse our cream with some minty flavor. So in a jar, we're gonna pour in half a teaspoon of peppermint extract, then about half a cup of half and half, which is just half milk, half cream, and another teaspoon of sugar to sweeten it up. And then with my Aero latte, I'll whisk it up until it's nice and foamy and frothy. Our coffee should be ready now, so we'll go ahead and fill the cup up with some boba at the bottom, a little bit of ice, and then we'll pour our coffee right on top of the ice. It's up to you if you want to leave the mint leaf in there. And finally, the sweet foam right on top. This is a minty mojito coffee boba that'll not only wake you up, it'll get you feeling minty fresh too. Now we're gonna make something a little unique, an ube milk tea. If you don't have a Trader Joe's nearby, you can always find ube paste online or at any well-stocked Asian market. But this one has like coconut cream, purple yam puree, which is ube, sugar, and a few other things in there. And now we'll pour in our milk. And I've already brewed some black tea earlier and let it cool. The robust flavor of this black tea pairs really well with the sweetness of the ube jam. The ube flavor has hints of vanilla to it, it's creamy, and it's delicately sweet. This is an ube milk tea that'll keep you coming back for more. It's ube-licious. Now for something fruity, we're gonna be making a strawberry Yakult refresher. This one doesn't have any caffeine, so it's also kid-friendly. I'm using half a cup of strawberries here, and I'm gonna blend it in with 3 Yakults, these little ones that you can find at any supermarket or Asian market, to make a smooth mixture. So Yakult is like a yogurty probiotic drink that they usually serve after Korean barbecue, and I was hooked on them since I was growing up. Sometimes we'd even freeze them to make it into like an icy pop. We're infusing the fresh strawberry flavor into the already sweetened Yakult, so I'm not adding any additional sugar here. And then to top it off, we're gonna pour in some sparkling water. I'm using a lime ginger one here that goes really well with the strawberry and Yakult flavor, but any sparkling water should work. I can't do a boba video without making something matcha, so today we're gonna make a condensed milk matcha latte. In a bowl, I'll add a matcha packet or 1 teaspoon of matcha powder, and I'm gonna fill it up with half a cup of hot water and blend it up. Now in a glass, I'll add 2 tablespoons of condensed milk at the bottom, fill it with some boba and ice, and now we're gonna pour our matcha right on top, and then top it off with some almond milk to make it nice and creamy. Give it a stir to mix in the condensed milk. That sweetness from the condensed milk is going to make this a matcha made in heaven. I was inspired by the Vietnamese coffee boba that I made in my first boba video, so I thought I'd mix it up and give matcha a try, and I think it works. I hope you guys liked today's boba video. If you want more boba ideas, check out my cookbook and 10 other ways to make boba in these 2 videos here. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!